This amphibian is one of the most unpleasant species in the world. It was discovered not long ago, making itself known to man in 2003. It was found in the Western Ghats, also known as the Sahyadri Mountains in India. The purple frog looks so weird that you might feel disgusted or even feel like puking just watching it move with your own eyes. The good thing is that they mostly stay in the soil throughout the year and come out only for a few weeks, just for the purpose of breeding. Its almost non-existent yellow eyes are flashy enough to make you feel sick. Its nose is one of its most peculiar features. Just touching it can be one of the most terrifying moments of your life. Finding these in your neighborhood parks would definitely be memorable, as it could probably ruin your evening. You've been warned. Do you remember Mortis from the 2005 animated film Madagascar? Well, meet his real-life inspiration. The eye was thought to be a rodent because of its teeth, but it's actually a type of lemur, which is slightly unpleasant and freaky to the eye. It looks like a cat who was bitten by a vampire, and halfway through the transformation just said, screw it. It's native to the Republic of Madagascar. You might get scared by its yellow eyes or rodent teeth, but the weirdest thing about the eye is his fingers. With his shockingly long middle finger, this weird creature taps on trees to find its food supply. It has one of the weirdest ways of eating too. Watching it eat will probably make you lose your appetite. Some find this ability interesting, and if you're one of them, you might have a stronger stomach than most. To some people, calling a cat ugly might be considered blasphemous. Cats are supposed to be cute, fluffy, adorable little balls of fur that warm our heart. Well, that cannot be said about some cats. Looking at the Sphinx cat, you can say that there actually is such a thing as an ugly-looking cat. Its main distinctive feature, which makes it so different compared to other cats, is the complete lack of fur, which makes its body look like the skin of a wrinkly old person. If you're thinking that this cat looks like some kind of lab experiment, then you're actually right. The breed is actually a descendant of 2 lines of natural mutation that took place in a lab in Minnesota and Canada. It's sometimes called a high-energy clown, as it is highly energetic and moves like a monkey. It's highly excellent at balancing and climbing up things like bookshelves and doors. Despite its looks, the Sphinx cat is very high maintenance and loves human attention. At the bottom of the ocean, a bizarre-looking fish known as the hagfish is found. It's said to be so ancient that it hasn't changed for around 300 million years. It's found near the ocean floor, in some of the deepest areas. Its body is made up of velvet smooth skin with no scales, and it has a skull with no spine. Its wrinkled skin might look disgusting to you, but the weirdest feature of the hagfish is its mouth, which looks like it's out of some alien movie. Its jawless mouth is made for mincing up dead bodies of fish lying on the ocean floor. Several teeth are packed onto 2 bony plates, which are enough to rip the flesh off a dead fish and shove down its throat full of teeth. And if you think that wasn't enough, the hagfish has 1 nostril, with which it picks up the sweet scent of death. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.